just found it interesting. And I went to Bangladesh and got to see like super large scale production facilities with 2,500, 3,000 machines or more, and equal 4,000 workers in one place. So
Right.
massive facilities, and just got some exposure to like a country like Bangladesh and that region, and seeing, the impact at that time. One worker in an apparel factory was supporting 8 people with their salary. So
Yeah.
just like unbelievable impact that the industry could have. Um, and that stuck with me. And then, I had the idea, and I was like, all right, I can sell shorts online. So kind of I have it still, like an Excel spreadsheet, like what it would cost, what would storage would be, what my cost would be, everything like that. Built it out. And then our first order was 10,000 pieces, which to me was like an astronomical
That's
number.
a big first order.
Yeah.
That's
And
MOQs,
that,
minimum
so
quantity.
that was a thing. And I was just like, this is way too much. And my dad's like, oh, like I sell that much in a day through all these retailers. Like, it's nothing. It's nothing. And I was like, it's a lot. But
How did you find the funds for that? Did you get some help?
I got a loan, yeah.
Okay.
So it was
Family, friends, bank?
family,
Okay.
family loan, and I paid that back within the year because like I was just stressed out about it. Honestly, I was in college at the time when we
Yeah.
started, so I was like, this is so much money, I have to pay it back.
Yeah.
So I paid it back that first year, but it was 10,000 pieces. It filled a 20-foot, like a mini shipping container, not the big ones, half size. And we actually stored it in a storage container in Gainesville when I was at UF. But again, like just built the website on Press the Shop, which was
I've never
before
used that,
Shopify.
yeah.
It's the worst thing ever.
Okay.
Shopify is 100 times better. We've been with Shopify since 2016, I think, or 15 now. So 100 times better than
I
what
like
I was
Shopify.
on. But just did everything myself. And, I was in college at the time. So